protection is everything with the original BMW Accessories Loading Sill Protection Foil. To protect your BMW when lifting items over the luggage compartment edge. Available for most BMWs. We recommend using the original BMW mounting kit for the correct installation, which includes a spray bottle, a squeegee with a piece of felt, and a microfiber towel. To attach the wrap, make sure to park in the shade and that the temperature is between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's go. Remove the backer of the felt and wrap the felt around the edge of the squeegee. Wash the car and clean the area with a microfiber towel and an isopropyl cleaner, like the BMW R2, to remove any residues and contaminations. Mix water with 1 to 2 drops of commercially available detergent in the spray bottle and spray it generously onto the bumper. Remove the backing paper from the wrap and immediately spray the water detergent mix on it as well. Place the wrap centered on the bumper while checking the center marking at the foil. You can now move the wrap slightly to make it fit perfectly. Also wet the top of the foil and use a squeegee with a felt to squeeze out the water, starting in motions from the center to the outside. Make sure to also press on the upper edge properly. When there are no more bubbles underneath, you can start to fix the wrap around the corner. Wipe off the excess water and rub over the foil one last time to make it stick perfectly. Done! Please wait at least 48 hours before washing the car.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?